Every founder I talk to right now is asking the same question. How do I actually use AI agents in my business? Not the theory, not the hype, just how do I actually get one running today? But here's the problem. Every guide starts with open your terminal. Every tutorial assumes you can code, and every tool looks like it was built for developers. So today, I'm going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to set up your own AI agent so you can message it from your phone and put it to work, all without writing a single line of code. No spare laptop, no Mac Mini, just $20 and 20 minutes of your time. And by the end of this video, you'll have something most founders only talk about, an AI agent that actually works for you. Quick intro. If you're new here, I'm Cameron. I've co-founded 2 7-figure AI companies. I have a background in computer science, and I've been coding since I was 13. So trust me when I say you don't need any of that for what I'm about to show you. If you want the deep dive on what AI agents actually are and how they work, I've got a video on that, link in the description. So what is OpenClaw? It's an open source AI agent. That means it's free and it runs on your own server. Most AI tools wait for you to tell them exactly what to do. You type a question, you get an answer. OpenClaw is different. You give it a goal and it figures out how to get there on its own. It'll browse the web, pull data, read documents, send messages, whatever it takes to get the job done. And the reason I'm showing you OpenClaw specifically is because it's the most popular open source AI agent out there right now. It's powerful, it's flexible, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to get it running. By the end of this video, you're going to have a solid foundation. You'll have your own AI agent running 24/7 that you can message from your phone and doing real tasks like web search and content ideas. Then I'll show you where to find thousands of tools that you can connect. Things like Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Notion, and how to start adding them yourself. All right, let's get into it. The good news is, Hostinger has a one-click OpenClaw setup that gets you up and running fast. It runs on a VPS, which is basically a server in the cloud. So it's on 24/7 without tying up your computer. And no, this isn't sponsored. It's just the easiest way that I found to do this. The first thing you need to do is go to Hostinger website. And you'll see here that we have a one-click OpenClaw setup. Let's go here. If we scroll down, what we're looking for is the KVM2 plan. Okay, let's click choose plan. And first of all, let's change the period from 24 months to 1 month. So there's no need to sign up for a 2-year plan right now. The next thing that you'll notice is we have the ready to use AI. So what this is this is Nexus AI. And this is going to basically automatically set up OpenClaw for you, so you have access to Claude, OpenAI, all of these different things without setting up your API keys. Next, you're going to see the Oxylab credits, and you actually get this free with the plan. So what this is basically credits to allow you to start scraping the web for data, websites, Google, all that different stuff, which is basically going to be essential for what you need to do. Just hit continue. Now I'm going to pause the camera here, but all you have to do is register and pay, and we'll pick up in a second. Now we're here, so do not worry about anything. You'll see gateway token, WhatsApp number, Telegram bot, none of it matters. All you need to do is hit the purple deploy button. Now this is going to take about 5 minutes. Hostinger is just setting up our VPS and deploying OpenClaw. So I'll see you when it's all sorted. Okay, let's just go through the survey. Okay, we can still see that the project is being deployed, but let's just give it a minute. Okay, now we're all set, and what we need to do is hit the gateway token. What this is it's a special token that's like a password, and it's going to let us get into our own OpenClaw setup. So if we just copy this now, hit open, and now we're going to paste our token here and click on login. And just like that, you're in. Okay, now let's actually make this useful and connect to Telegram. This is going to allow you to message it from your phone. If you don't have the app, by the way, you can just download it for free on any app store, Android, Mac, iPhone, whatever you need to do. For me, just for this demo, I'm going to do it from my laptop. Okay, so in Telegram, you need to search for BotFather. You'll see it has an official tick, so make sure it's the official one. We're going to click start. And what this is a centralized place for you to create and manage all of your different bots that you create through Telegram. We're going to do /new bot, and you have to choose a name for your bot. So be as creative and as inventive as you want. I'm being very boring and calling him Can's agent. And now you have to select a username, and it's important to know before you try and fail 5 times that this not only has to be unique for you, it has to be unique to the entire platform. So make sure you come up with something creative. Okay, now what you'll see is we actually have our access token for our bot. What I need you to do is just copy this for now, and we're going to go and set this up with OpenClaw. Okay, so in the OpenClaw dashboard, if you go to channels, and now on the right, you're going to see that we have Telegram. If you scroll down, you're going to see something called Telegram bot token. Now, this is where we're going to paste the token that we've just copied. We're now going to scroll down to the bottom and hit save. Perfect. Now it's just going to move Telegram over to the left because that's the one that's active. Next step is you'll see that in that message within BotFather, there's a little link that lets us actually speak to our bot for the first time. So if we click that and we hit start, what we have now is we have our own user ID. So what we need to do now is go over to OpenClaw and basically allow our user ID to message the bot. Otherwise, anyone can message our bot. In the allow from section, just paste it in there and hit add. And once again, hit the big red save button at the bottom. Okay, and I'm just gonna send hello. And as you will see, the bot is now alive. Now, before we do anything else, we need to configure what OpenClaw calls the soul. Don't let the name throw you off. The soul is your agent's DNA. It defines its personality, its tone, its expertise, its boundaries. Without it, you've got a generic chatbot. With it, you've got an assistant that understands you, your business, and it will work the way that you want it to. Send your agent a message through Telegram. It'll walk you through the setup. You give it a name, tell it about your business, set the tone for how it talks, everything. This is where you make it yours. If you want a direct, no-nonsense assistant, tell it that. If you wanted to understand e-commerce because that's your business, tell it that. The more specific you are, the better it performs. Now, let me show you what this thing can actually do. Because setup is one thing, but you need to see it work. We're going to put our AI agent to the test right now. We're going to go and we're going to ask it to research online, find the latest news, and start to give us LinkedIn post ideas. Oh, and we're going to ask it to include all of the URLs so that we can research and make sure that everything's factual. And we're also going to say, can you run this every single day at 8 a.m. Eastern time? This is going to mean that we can wake up and have all of our post ideas ready. Okay, and we're just going to say, I want you to run it as a test so that we can actually see it in action now. Okay, and the ideas have just come through. Let's have a look at them. Okay, look, so we have all of the different AI stories from the last 24 hours. We have all of the URLs so that we can go and fact check everything. And these are all perfect, right? So I can wake up every single morning, have all of these different news articles to read through. Number one, for my information, and number two, I've got plenty of LinkedIn post ideas. Now look at that. He scraped the web using Oxy Labs, pulled the latest information, and came back with a summary of what's happening in AI today. Plus LinkedIn post ideas I could use right now. No browser tabs, no Googling, no copying and pasting between apps. I just asked and it did the work. That's the difference between a chatbot and an AI agent. That works straight away. No extra setup. But what if you want your agent to do a little bit more than web search? That's where skills come in. Think of skills like apps on your phone. OpenClaw comes with over 50 built in, but there are thousands more on something called ClawHub. See this? Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Notion. You find the one you want and your agent can start using it. Some work immediately. Others, like Google Calendar or Gmail, they need a little bit more setup to link to your accounts, but your agent can walk you through the entire process. And when you're ready to add a new skill, you don't need a terminal. Find the skill you want on ClawHub, copy the link, paste it into your Telegram chat, and your agent installs it for you. That's the power of this. You're not locked into what it can do today. You can keep teaching it new things. Just be smart about what you install. Read the description, check the reviews, same as you would with any app. Let's zoom out for a second. Look at what you've just built. You have your own AI agent. It runs 24/7 on a server, it's connected to your Telegram, and it's set up and ready to go. It can research, write, browse the web, and learn new skills, whatever you need it to do. Most founders are still talking about AI agents. You just set one up. This is just the starting point. The more you use it, the more you'll find ways to put it to work. Maybe it's your daily research. Maybe it's for drafting content. Maybe it's monitoring your competitors. The possibilities are endless. One word of advice as you get started. Your agent can do a lot. That's the point. But be intentional about what you connect it to. Start with one thing, get comfortable, and expand from there. That's it. You've got your own AI agent. Now go and put it to work. I'm going to be releasing more tutorials on how to build things with OpenClaw that founders can actually use. So if you want to stay up to date with AI, then join my newsletter at CameronTrue.com, or if you want to message me directly, drop me a message on LinkedIn. All of the links are in the description. See you in the next one.